Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you this real quick. For the mock I'm currently working on, it's a Tiger 1 tank, and I was trying to figure out a way to have it so that the turret could traverse and still have the gun barrel be able to elevate. So I came up with this, which is just this big gear system that has the hole through the middle, and I put an axle through the middle of that, along with a worm gear at the top. And then there's this type of gear that actually has an axle going out from it. So when the turret traverses, it will hold that worm gear in the center. And then if you want, when you're playing with it, you can turn that worm gear and it will elevate or de-elevate the main gun. So I think that's going to work like a treat. So I might even look at how to hook up boost to this so that you can have this all pre-programmed in. I think that'd be pretty cool to have the tank and everything moving and the gun turning and swiveling up and down. So that'll be great. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. Have a great day. Bye-bye.